Good morning, all of you again. Now let us move to the next part of the questions which are pending. Okay, now we will look at some of the programming part. Now, friends, we have to tell the what is the wrong with this particular code fragment. Yes, anybody? Anybody can tell what is the wrong with this code? Or first we will tell this. Okay, what will be the output of this code? Okay, do one thing. We will run this code. I will open Thoni. Now let us see what will be the answer. Answer is 54. Why it is 54? Because this is having 21 and this is 33. So 21 plus 33, 54. Friends, now value of A does not get updated by this because this A is equal to 33 is implemented after B is equal to A plus 1. Okay, now you understand what I mean? That B is equal to A plus 1 is written before the code. A is equal to 33. So print A plus B. Now the answer will be 54. This is 20 plus 1, 21. And this is 21 plus 33. So it will be 54. I think this is very much clear to you. Now we have to check what is the wrong with the code. Now one thing again we will just paste this code here and try to check. Nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong with this code. So what you have to write while dealing with this type of question, you have to write output and then 54. Now what is wrong with the question? There is nothing wrong with this question. So you have to write no error. Now what is wrong with this code? Now friends, here class is equal to 4 and name, print name plus class. This will not be implemented as an integer value, cannot be added to a string value. And okay, now reason is integer cannot be added to a string value. Right, now let me take again for you. I will copy this thing and paste it here. Okay. Now what is the error? That O can only concatenate string to string. This is the error. That we can concatenate string with only the string. Okay. So this means that a string value cannot be added to an integer value. Only concatenation can take place. राइट सिर्फ कंकेटिनेशन कर सकते हैं. कंकेटिनेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? दो स्ट्रिंग्स को जोड़ देना. कंकेटिनेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? दो स्ट्रिंग्स को जोड़ देना. Let me what will the output of the following code? Now friends, if I have written this thing, now this means that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 respectively. Friends, these values are respectively as A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Now here also it means that A is equal to B comma B is equal to A plus 3 comma C is equal to B minus 1. And here we are printing all the terms. Friends, remember this is a new method of writing for you. You can write the values in Python giving the commas. Okay, now we will copy it and paste and shall see how it runs, or it will give an error to us. If it returns error, then there will be no output. Let me copy it. Where is Thoni? Yes, there is my dear Thoni. So look, the answer will be 4, 6 and 3. Let me check the answer, whether the answer is correct or not. A is equal to B, B is 4, right? Now C is equal to B. Okay, now C is equal to B minus 1. We will check from the last. B, what is the value of B? B is 4, so 4 minus 1. B is A plus 3, so it will be 6. The answer will be 5, 6 and 3. I think this is very much clear to all of you. Right, you can also write like this. Now, next code is, what will be the output of the following Python code? Now, same way, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to B into 4, A is equal to A plus 4. So what will be the output? Let me run it for you. You have to write without implementing. In exam, when you will get this type of questions, you have to calculate and then write. Okay, now let me take to the question. It will be 3 into 4, 12 and A plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 7, 4, 16, right? Am I clear? Am I clear in my all senses? Thank you. Okay, अब आगे चलते हैं हम लोग. Now my next question is, there are various sort of questions given next. Okay, now right. Print Vishal. Only if I have to print the name, then I will write print Vishal. Here we have given print Vishal. So what does it mean? It means that there are two print statements. For one print statement there is nothing, and for this print statement we are having Vishal. So we will be having two outputs. First one is Vishal for inner part, hashtag none for outer part. So let me run it for you. Vishal comma none. Right? Now moving on to the next. Simple Vishal, Indian, Vishal in the first row or even in the second. Now friends, this is a very new thing. Okay, let me take this thing first so that I can show you the difference between the coding, and I will paste it over here and run it for you. Okay, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Let us see Vishal in Indian. Now what I have done, I have provided a keyword called end. END, single quote, single quote. Right now I will run it. It will be an error. Why? Because I have put this thing here. Okay, yes. Now if I will provide a space between them, then let me see. Yes, there will be a space. Now what end signifies? End here signifies that there should be no more columns made for each and every print statement. It should be printed horizontally. It should be printed horizontally, like this way. Vishal space Indian. If I will provide, if I will write this, then we should see what it will get. Okay, now any kind of separator, as I have given blank space as separator, so it has picked blank space. If I will give any kind of separator, it will take it and go accordingly. Right, friends? Now moving on to the next part. Now this is for the input. You will do it, I know. Just check the output. Okay, we'll check the output. I will just copy it and paste it in Thorny for you. Now A is equal to int input. Now this thing is used that we are trying to take user input in the form of integer value from user and from B also. Now I will enter the first number. I will enter 25. Enter the second number. I will enter 36. Answer will be A is equal to 36 and B is equal to 25, because this term means A is equal to B and B is equal to A. There are swapping of values is going on. Right, this is called the swapping of values. I have provided the value of B to A and A to B. In this way we can swap as many as numbers we can want. Now moving on to the next part. Okay, now this is it from my side today. So friends, we will be meeting tomorrow again at the same time. So till then, relax, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.